tutorial. As of my last update in September 2021, here's a general step-by-step guide on how to apply for an Australian tourist visa, visitor visa subclass 600, from India. Keep in mind that visa application processes and requirements can change, so it's crucial to visit the official Australian Government Department of Home Affairs website or the Australian High Commission, Embassy website in India for the most current and accurate information. 1. Determine your visa type. Determine the type of tourist visa you need. In Australia, this is typically a visitor visa, subclass 600, which is suitable for tourism, visiting family and friends, or participating in business activities. 2. Create an ImmiAccount. Go to the Australian Government Department of Home Affairs website and create an ImmiAccount. Complete the registration process and verify your email address. 3. Complete online application form, Form 1419, Log in to your ImmiAccount. Start a new application and select the appropriate visa subclass, subclass 600. Fill out the online application form, Form 1419, with accurate and complete information. 4. Gather required documents. Valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay in Australia. Passport-sized photos meeting Australian photo requirements. Proof of financial capacity to cover your trip, such as bank statements or financial statements. Proof of ties to India, which demonstrate your intention to return after your visit to Australia. This might include employment letters, property ownership documents, family documents, etc. Travel itinerary, including flight and hotel reservations. Health insurance to cover your stay in Australia. Any other documents related to the purpose of your visit, such as invitation letters or event tickets. 5. Pay visa application fee. Pay the visa application fee online through your ImmiAccount. Keep the receipt for your records. 6. Submit documents and application. Upload the required documents to your ImmiAccount. Review your application thoroughly to ensure accuracy. Submit your application online. 7. Biometrics collection, if required. Depending on your circumstances, you might need to provide biometrics, fingerprints and photo. The biometrics collection center will be specified in your application. 8. Wait for visa processing. After submitting your application, you need to wait for processing. Visa processing times can vary, so it's recommended to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. 9. Receive visa decision. You will receive an email notification when a decision has been made on your visa application. If your visa is approved, you will also receive a visa grant notice with details about your visa conditions. 10. Travel to Australia. Make sure to check the visa grant notice for any conditions attached to your visa. Have your passport and visa grant notice with you when you travel to Australia. Please note that this is a general guide and the specific requirements and steps may vary based on individual circumstances. Always refer to the official Australian Government Department of Home Affairs website or the Australian High Commission, Embassy website for the most accurate and up-to-date information before you begin your visa application process. Schengen